Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to clear cache on TikTok. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device. Now, once you are here on your settings, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down into your screen and just simply go ahead and go for the apps over here. Now, once you are on the apps, you will just simply scroll down over here. So guys, this is all of the application that you have installed into your phone. So make sure to find the TikTok over here. So if you don't see the TikTok, you could use the search bar on the top right corner and you will have the TikTok over here. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you will have an option over here, storage. So tap on it. So from here, you should be able to see your app data, and your cache. So I have 422 MB and this application cost me 2.59 gigabyte. So if you want to clear the cache on TikTok, tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, automatically my cache will be removed. And now we only have a total of 2.17 gigabyte. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.